Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Shivanti. Today's video is going to be a bit different. Different means usually I'll upload an Nike haul video. Today I'm going to upload Amazon haul video. That is the difference. Nothing much. Please don't expect much from me. I was just scrolling through Amazon the other day and it happened to be one of those sale days. Their great Indian festival sale is happening right now, right? So as soon as I saw that, my hands started itching. I couldn't control myself, and for the next few minutes I don't even remember what happened, and only when the products started arriving it was like, what? Did I order all this? On top of that, my father, while receiving the parcel, he won't just stare at me, he'll also stare at the delivery boy as though the delivery boy is working for me, and then the delivery guy will be staring at me. It'll look like they're coming to ask, idiot, how many items will you order daily? We have to come and see your face or what? But very good guys, they won't say anything out loud. I've never tried buying makeup from any other website other than Nike. This is the first time me ordering on Amazon. I mean, I used to buy 1 or 2 items here and there, but I've never made a bulk order. And when I say bulk order, don't think too much. Buying 6-7 items together is bulk order for me. Sale is actually really good. I was able to pick up most of the products, at a damn good deal, and also most of the products were affordable. I was surprised to see that Amazon had these many brands. Like, it had Cosrx, Class. Like, I didn't know that they had these many brands. It was a big surprise for me because this was the first time I tried buying makeup from them, and also the customer service was damn good and the delivery was super fast. Within like 2 to 3 days all my products got delivered. Now let's get on with the haul. First item that I added to my cart was this. This is actually an exfoliator from this brand called Derma, and the MRP of this is 975 rupees. Because of that, at least I thought they'll give a bigger dabba, but no, this is what I received. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is actually a daily exfoliant, okay, but I am not going to use this daily because if I say that I'm going to use this daily and see what's going to happen to my skin, that's it. I know what will happen. People will be ready with their PhD thesis under my comment section. Will start typing, you're not supposed to exfoliate your skin daily. Don't you know that? Are you educated or not? Are you putting salt in your food or not? Already we are not able to see your videos because of your mouth, and on top of that, nicely scrub daily and take away the top layer also. It will be very nice. Today I'm not gonna give you guys that pleasure, and the reason why I got this is because it's pretty interesting. It's in powder format, and that powder is actually a rice based powder, and also it activates only when it comes in contact with water. I'm gonna feel like a scientist. Water in one hand, powder in one hand, mix both. It helps in brightening and smoothening your skin, it seems. Yeah, we definitely need some brightness. And then I got this. This is actually Dermaco's 2% Salicylic Acid Clay Face Mask for acne and blemish prone skin. Usually it will be my father who will be constantly disturbing me. Now it is my mother. That is why I kept quiet. You guys remember in one of my videos that I posted like few days ago, I would have told you guys that I'm breaking out on my right side alone for some reason. I still couldn't figure out why. It is not as bad it was like few days ago, but still I'm not completely fine. I mean, it is not completely fine. Suddenly these bubble boys are coming and going. I don't even know what is the reason that is provoking them. So that is the reason why I got this. I've heard a lot of good reviews on this. I just wanted to give this a try. And then I got this De-odorizing pit cream from Plum's BodyLovin range, and this is in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. I just love this product. Yes, I've already started using it. Instruction says that you just have to take a pea-sized amount and apply it in your armpits. I wasn't really sure how this little product is gonna stay on me for such a long time. For people who take bath 2 times a day, no problem, but for people like me, 1 day 1 time itself is a very big thing. I'll be loitering here and there for a few minutes, and then I'll go and check if the water heater is on or off. If it's off, super, I'll switch it on and then sit and wait for another few minutes. Even after getting inside the bathroom, I won't immediately take bath. I'll be sitting and watching water tap, bucket, everything, and then only I'll take bath. How much ever I can procrastinate, I'll procrastinate. I was very surprised at the end of the day to find out that it had worked throughout the day. It actually comes like this in a tub, like this, It smells so good, and it also comes with a cute little spatula like this so that you could scoop the product out without, you know, letting your hands inside. This is my most favorite product out of all the products that I've bought this time. And then I got this Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow liquid highlighter. I'm just looking forward to use this because Swiss Beauty products always surprise me. I used to use the Nykaa liquid highlighter, but then it got dried up. This one is just half the price of that highlighter. So this time I wanted to try this. This is in the shade Rose Gold. Look at that. I didn't even open this dabba. All that I managed to do was this. How many sellotapes? See, when my father brought this from downstairs, I was sitting comfortably in a chair. I tried to open this with my hands and I couldn't. And from where I was sitting, I couldn't reach the scissors also. So in order to take the scissors, I have to stand up, take few steps, take the scissors, and then open this up. It seemed to me like so much work. Already I know what is inside also. So why waste precious energy? Now I got the scissors. I've never used a body yogurt before, and they said that the Plum's BodyLovin range is really good, and that is the reason why I got this and the other product also. I couldn't open this. Let's see how this thing is there. How much work? Oh my god, it's so good. I don't know how long the fragrance will stay, but the smell is so good. This is in the fragrance Vanilla Vibes. I just bought like 6-7 products, okay? Look at the number of dabbas. One more is also there. I can't even throw these away till I'm done with the haul video. Until then, it will be sitting in one corner of my room where my father's eyesight cannot reach. The other day, my maid Akka came to sweep the floor, and by the way, she is my father's pet. She found out the place where I was hiding all these boxes. She went straight to my father and she was like, "Ah, go and see how much garbage she is having in her room, full of mosquitoes when I open those boxes. She's producing mosquitoes from garbage." How much I have to struggle to film a haul video, you know. Please like, share and subscribe. I also didn't have anything from this brand called MyGlamm, and I wanted to buy a blush in this particular shade, so I got this product. The packaging is really good. It smells good. It smells like fruity candy, something like that. It says K.Play. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a reference to any Korean series or Korean drama. I'm not really sure. I've never watched Korean series or drama. Is there anyone out there like me? It looks cute. It really looks cute. I don't know how it will be. I mean, how it will work on me, but it looks cute. Product that I was looking forward to get my hands on was this. This is basically to set all your flyaways. The product is really good. Now my hand looks normal only, but the minute I step outside, that's it. One will be in this direction, one will be in this direction, and one will be like this. So this is how the product looks. It just looks like a mascara wand. Now you might ask, why can't you use a mascara for that? Yes, I have actually used mascara. Like last time when I went to the mall, I applied some mascara to tame my flyaways. But at one point, what happened? My hands became a little sweaty, and then I did this. I didn't realize that some product got stuck in my hands. Without knowing that, I did. Such a wonderful sight it was. Also, when you use a mascara, your hair becomes a bit crunchy, but this says it doesn't do that to your hair. Doesn't leave your hair hard or crunchy, holds your hair all day, nourishes your hair and promotes hair growth. I don't know how, but it says so. Suitable for all ages and hair type. Convenient and easy to carry. Obviously cruelty free, vegan friendly. And then I got this lip crayon from Maybelline. I just love this product. I already have this in a different shade. I got that from Nykaa. I love this product, dude. It is so good. It also comes with a sharpener, and this is how it looks. This particular shade is called Settle for More. This particular lip crayon is so good. It stays on your lips for a very long time. It doesn't dry out your lips. It is highly pigmented and smells delicious. What more do you want? But unfortunately, I have a similar shade in a different range. And then I also got this particular lipstick from Maybelline. The packaging is so good, no? This shade is called Burgundy Blush. This is how it looks. And I got the LANEIGE sleeping mask. This is my second tub and it was on super offer. Since I have oily skin, I cannot use heavy moisturizers, and since we are slowly getting into winter, I need something that is really hydrating. So that is the reason why I got this. This is not very hydrating and all, but since it is lightweight, you can actually layer this on top of your regular moisturizer. It is still not gonna make your skin feel heavy, but it's gonna be super hydrating. Got this product delivered the next day itself. The delivery was super fast for this product and few other products also. I got these 3 beautiful tikkas. I don't know how you people call it, but in our place we used to call this as Nitti Chutti. Yeah, that's how we people used to call this. Why are you doing all this monkey business? Why did you get this? For what did you get this? Means nothing. Chumma only I got this. It looked really pretty. By the way, I don't even know how to fix this. It looks really pretty, no? And the other one is this. And this is my most favorite. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging on till the end, and if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I'll put the link of all the products that I showed you guys in this video down in the description box. Please don't forget to check that out. That's it. Tata.